Hello and welcome to the next video on the channel Amandla Kubantu. Now, for those of you that are unfamiliar, Amandla Kubantu is the direct Xhosa translation of power to the people. And that's exactly what I'd like to talk about today. Democracy is also from the Greek term people power. Demos meaning people, and kratos, and that's where the krasi of democracy comes from. Kratos means power. But how many people actually understand what democracy actually means and what the five, in this framework that I'm showing today, core components of democracy are? I'll start from the top. At the light blue, some would say baby blue, um, little bubble, and we started talking about a representative government. Today, this seems quite norm, but in South Africa, even a few years back, maybe about just over 2 decades, we did not have a truly representative government. So some of the elements of a representative government are that there are clean elections, that elections are fair, that there is inclusive suffrage. Suffrage means the right to vote and to have your views counted in an electoral process. And inclusive suffrage means that everyone is allowed to vote, no matter their race or sexuality or gender, or a number of these um, different um, types or groups of people. Then free political parties is also an important part of representative government, because if you would like to start the clown party and dress up as a clown and you get people to vote for you, there should be nothing stopping you from having that political party. And then a government should be elected by the people, not a government that elects itself, or a small subset of people that are electing themselves. And that's kind of what is representative government means. Then there are a few fundamental rights, access to justice, civil liberties. You need to have social rights and equality. And these days there are lots of movements around equality in the gender spheres, rightfully so. Um, but there are still a lot of conversations regarding equality and financial equality in South Africa. So that's quite an important one as well. Now, when you have a government, I'm moving down to the pink bubble at the bottom, there needs to be checks on government. And for that, you need an effective parliament. And parliament is the organization within the state that needs to ensure that government delivers on its promises and that government is running in a clean, non corrupt manner. You also have judicial independence, so that no court cases are influenced by political motives, and media integrity, so that the media can report on things that are happening in the country or within government or with very senior political figures without any fear of intimidation. An impartial administration, we're moving to the greener bubble in the bottom, is an administration that does not serve one group of people more so than another, and an impartial administration also does not, I guess the word is, steal money to make a small set of people rich. And finally, what this channel was created for was participatory engagement, for citizens to partake in electoral participation, civil society participation, direct democracy, where there is voting directly for who you want to represent you, and local democracy, local voting for the party and the people that you want to deliver your essential daily services. So today's video is just a Kickstarter into democracy, a conceptual framework on the 5 basic components of democracy, and I hope that it's enhanced your view or your understanding of what democracy is or can be. Thank you.